So today I have added a new tool to the Piano Marvel tools, and this is batch uploading. So let me just show you how this works. If you go over here to batch upload beta, you'll see that we added this tool, um, added this batch upload beta right here. Actually, if I go over here and just turn this off, this is how you know that it's not working because it's literally not showing up. So let's turn that back on and I'll go over here, press refresh, and you'll see the tool is open. So what I'm gonna do is click batch upload beta, takes us to this screen. I'll click a folder, and what it's gonna do is say, hey, you sure you wanna upload these 99 files? Only do it if you trust the site. Let's trust it, okay? You can trust me. So we'll say upload. All right, so here is where you would put your composer. So I've been uploading something here for a teacher today. And so I'm just gonna type in some information here. Now these four fields up here, if I tried to go upload, you would see that the details have not been applied. So we'll say, let's apply. And if I try to go upload, you'll see that we are missing required details. So we're missing a genre. Genres, like I was saying, composer, difficulty, tempo, and genres. This is required for every single song. And then there are optional fields here if you do want to add a subtitle, artist, copyright. If you want to choose, if you want learn and play mode, or if you want to share it with your students, you can do all that right there. We'll say for this is a method, and you can see this is pending if you press apply. So that's why it's this little blue italic thing. So I'll press apply to selected. Now it locks it in. Now this is something that I'm really excited about. It took me a little bit of time to do, but I think it's pretty cool here, and it is title pattern. So you can title these things in a pattern. Let me show you. So we're just going to select only this bundle of songs, and just so you can understand kind of how this whole thing is organized, I'm going to show you the folder here. So I said that we wanted to upload this folder right here, One Rhythm Away. This is the book Bryant wanted me to help upload with him, and I thought, man, this would be a really cool tool, not only for him, but I think even for me. We have a way to upload that's amazing that one of our developers has made for us, but I think this is actually kind of a cool way to do it as well, and it's something that everyone can use, so that's exciting too. So anyways, you can see the way I have this organized is I have so the main there's two main folders. One folder is called Purple Dual Hands, and this is just some cool little rhythmic stuff that he's done, and it's just broken up and little sections there. Okay, so that's what the Dorico files are. But then you can see I have 30 files right here. They're all named the same thing, MIDI and XML, and it's some random names, but it's all listed in a way that's pretty systematic. Section 01, section 02, 3, 4, 5, 6, all the way down. Same thing here with Yellow Dual Hands. However, there are two folders inside this. So this is folders inside of folders. It's kind of like the Inception matrix thing. So same kind of thing though. It has a Dorico thing, which is, if you're using Dorico, Finale, MuseScore, whatever, it's not gonna try to match those files. It's only gonna match the MIDI and XMLs that are matching. So be sure that the Dorico or MuseScore doesn't have files in there. Anything that's in there when you select the book over here. So if I was to say change folders, whenever you select this, if I press upload, it's going to try to do everything in what it sees here. So if I went to Bryant J. Sylvester, it's going to try to go through every single thing in both of these folders. Okay? I'm not going to do that. I'm going to press cancel. So anyways, this has been smartly kind of seen that this is one book. or one bundle is actually what we're going to call it in Piano Marvel. So this is one bundle. And I just want to name these something that makes more sense. So we'll say purple dual. Well, I can type purple dual hands number. And there we go. We can number it. So there it goes. There's 15 of them. I'll apply it to selected. Close it off. Let's go to the next ones. This is called yellow dual hands. So I'll say yellow dual hands, and we'll say arpeggios. Now maybe, well, we'll just go like this. Arpeggios number, and there we go. Start at number 1, apply to selected. Boom. And now, last but not least, we get to this last one. Now, you can see the way that he actually had it labeled the first time was level 1A, 1B, 1C, 1D. So if you wanted to do something like that, there's actually a way to do more kind of advanced patterns. So let's just check it out. So we'll call this yellow dual hands, single notes. But I'm going to go to advanced here and say A. But over here, I'm going to add a 1. So now it's 1A, 1B, 1C. Instead of this, we now have that. So pretty cool. Now, if I wanted to, right now, I could press upload 6 songs, but it's only going to be uploading the 6 songs that I have checked marked. Now, don't worry if... well, actually, I haven't even applied this pattern too. So let's go click out there or press escape. I'm going to say apply these. So apply. And now if I press upload, it's going to say only 6 of 31 are selected. Do you want to upload them all or just the 6? So if you want to upload all of them right now, you could go ahead and do that. But, and here's something that is another kind of cool feature. If you see this if you see this little button down here that says add to bundles, what you could do, and I'm just going to go ahead and select all these songs real quick. I'm going to say add to bundles, and you could say, well, how do you want to do this? So you'll remember over here there's this purple dual hands, yellow dual hands, yellow dual hands. So it's seeing your folder setup, and it's saying, well, how do you want to do this? Okay, do you want to add this to an existing bundle? Do you want to add it to a new bundle? So let's just say, yeah, I want to add it to some new bundles here. It's choosing your name. Now, if you wanted to change that and have it be something else, you could also do that. But I'm going to go ahead and just say, create a new book, create a new bundle for all these. Now, this right here, it got it wrong, yellow dual hands. So I'm going to go over here and say, yellow dual hands arpeggios. But everything else looks good. So at this point, I'm going to press save. And now we are ready to go. It is literally ready to go. All of these songs. This is 31 songs. This would take a pretty good amount of time to upload manually one by one. And I might want to poke my own eyes out with a fork, as Aaron Garner has said, if I was doing that myself. But fret not. We made a tool that could do it. Now, we've had a tool that we haven't released just because it's only accessible through our kind of like administrative tool. But this is the first time this has been available to customers. So let's see if it works. Okay, I'm getting all excited. I'm cheesing. Here we go. Upload 31 songs. It's making the bundles. It made the book. And now it's uploading the batch. And this is uploading far faster than any way I could ever do it myself. Is it as fast as the other tool, the admin tool that I have? No, but all I have to do is just leave this tab open, go get a coffee, go hit the restroom, go do some push-ups. I don't even know what you could do, but you could go do whatever you want. Just leave this thing open. Make sure your computer doesn't go to sleep on you. Maybe that's a thing I should add. I don't know. I don't even know if the computer would let me make sure that it doesn't fall asleep. I don't know. Anyways, I hope that this is helpful for you. This was really fun to make. I'm definitely, hopefully, going to be using this. I think it's a really exciting uh, little extension. And I hope that this is, like I said, helpful for others. So let me know if you have any questions, comments, concerns. Thank you so much. And I will talk to you later. Actually, before I leave, let's see what this looks like when it finishes up. Did it work? Here we go. Here we go. Oh man, done. Refresh the page. Okay, let's see. Let's see. Let's see. We'll say Bryant. Now, I had already uploaded one before, so you'll see duplicates. But let's just go over here, click open on this, and I'll click open on the other one too. I don't even know if it has open. Boom! All good to go. Pretty exciting stuff. Now, I just need to go and delete all 62 of these files because this isn't needed for me. This is needed for a teacher. So I got to delete 61 files. That would take forever, wouldn't it? One by one, delete, yes. Oh, talk about poke your eye out with a fork. That's coming soon.